India and Russia have already signed the 22,000 crore rupees deal for modernizing and upgrading the Bratsk nuclear-powered attack submarine that will be inducted into the Indian Navy fleet by 2026 as SIMBEX Chakra-4, and as per latest media reports, India and Russia have also opened discussions on the prospect of leasing a second nuclear-powered attack submarine for the Indian Navy. The Navy chief had discussed the lease of another SSN with his Russian counterpart during his 3-day visit to Russia in late July 2021, and Russian officials have indicated their willingness to refurbish and lease out one or more Akula-class SSNs to India, and it will take Russia 6 years to refurbish and modernize another SSN. Acquiring a second SSN will enable the Navy to operate 2 independent carrier battle groups centered around the C-hin-e-s-e and C-hin-e-s-e aircraft carriers with 1 SSN each. The Indian Navy has projected a requirement for 6 SSNs, but it has no SSN in service at present that are capable of independently projecting power into heavily contested enemy waters and performing escort duties for the indigenous SSPNs. The Indian startup company Rafi Fibra Private Limited has secured orders from the Indian Army for its Nistaar hybrid vertical takeoff and landing UAV that features low oral signature, high endurance of 150 minutes, day and night cameras for surveillance operation, and object detection and tracking mechanism from a range of 600 meters. The Army has also placed orders for Raven load-carrying unmanned aerial vehicle from the startup company that can carry multiple payloads of 30 kilograms, and is equipped with a day and night vision camera for round-the-clock operations, and it has an endurance of 54 minutes. The Raven is also equipped with indigenously developed advanced control algorithms for higher stability during flight with heavy payloads, and its robust aerodynamic design and biomimetic structure makes it extremely stable to withstand strong and gusty winds in valleys. The navies of India and Singapore have carried out a major naval exercise in the southern fringes of the South China Sea over the last 3 days, which saw the participation of guided missile destroyers, anti-submarine warfare corvettes and P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft from the Indian side, while Singapore fielded its formidable class frigate, Victory-class missile corvette, 1 Archer-class submarine, and 1 Fokker 50 maritime patrol aircraft and 4 F-16 fighter jets for air defense drills. The SIMBEX 2021 is also the Indian Navy's longest uninterrupted bilateral maritime exercise with any foreign navy. The Ladakh administration and the Border Roads Organization have signed a pact to upgrade and improve road network in the Union Territory, under which the administration has also assigned 7 more projects to the Border Roads Organization, considering their expertise in hill areas to construct tunnels and roads, and this initiative will ensure a boost in the overall economy and tourism of the region. The Italian Financial and Customs Police Department has opened an investigation in the Italian defense company Alpi Aviation, which manufactures many drones for special forces. Alpi Aviation had sold 75% of its capital to 2 Chinese investors related to important Chinese public companies at an inflated price, and this operation was done to acquire and transfer the technology to China, and also relocate its production structure to Shanghai, and Italian authorities were not notified about the transaction in this strategic sector. New Delhi-based think tank Law and Society Alliance has released a 76-page study report that is titled Mapping Chinese Footprints and Influence Operations in India, in which the experts discussed how China has poured support for itself among Indian academia, think tanks, media and trade bodies, tech companies and political parties in India, to influence public opinion and destabilize the nation from within. The report explored the cover and overt influence operations carried out by the Chinese government in cultivating funding and sponsoring institutions in India, including the media and individual opinion makers.